area, the working area. This is sprite. This is size area. Size area, and we can make it more bigger, 200. Now this that I wanna choose another sprite. This is choose your sprite, but we are not choosing right now. So I'm choosing choose your background. I need a background. I'll scroll my mouse to the end, and I will choose this third last background. And here we go. I'm doing a little bit bigger for you so you can see. This y-axis line name is vertical, and x-axis line name is horizontal. If my cat goes up and down, vertical, and if my cat goes down, it means negative. And if my cat goes to right, it means now we will do the size small, make it 50. Okay. Now thank you for watching my video. Now in the next video we will learn about codings and more things. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you loved my video. Subscribe the channel and share with your family and friends. Bye.